Hi mathematicians, today we are on lesson 9.1 in your Go Math book, Order Length. This is on page 373. And today our question is this: how do you order objects by length? Okay, so we are going to talk about some length here. Now I have three objects. I have some scissors, I have nail polish, and then I have a pen. Now when I talk about ordering, it means that I want them to be lined up in a certain way, okay? So we could order them from longest to shortest, or we could order them from shortest to longest. So I'm going to be doing longest to shortest. Okay, so right now, if I want to compare lengths, I'm going to line them up to make sure. Oh, OB, please. So I'm going to line them up to make sure they're all starting from the same point. You know what? It would be even better to line them up with the edge of my clipboard. Okay, now you don't want to line them up like this horizontally. When we talk about length, we're talking about the bottom to the top, how long something is, just like how tall something is. Okay, so I can clearly see that my scissors are the longest. And then if I were to compare the nail polish length to the pen, I would see that the pen is longer than the nail polish, but it's definitely shorter than the scissors. Okay, so I just ordered them from longest to shortest. Okay, all right. You could do that with three objects at your house. Let's go back to the worksheet. It says use objects to show the problem. Draw to show your work. Okay, so it wants you to do classroom objects. Just find objects at home and order them from longest to shortest or shortest to longest, okay? And right here, it wants us to find an object that is longer than the straw, okay? I'm going to use my same objects that I found, and I'm gonna use my scissors. I'm gonna line them up edge to edge and see that my scissors are definitely longer. Now I'm doing it horizontally because I'm comparing these two, okay? It would really be looking at them like this. Okay, so horizontally, I can see that my scissors are definitely longer, okay? So I'm going to write scissors. And I could even draw, oh, that's my dog, sorry. I could even draw my scissors, okay? Okay, I'm drawing my scissors to show that they're longer. Now, she wants something shorter than the key. Uh-oh. Is my nail polish shorter? No. Okay. Is my pen cap shorter? Oh, it's about the same length. What could I find that is shorter? I need a paper clip. So just wait 1 second. Okay, so now I have my paper clip. And I can see that that is definitely shorter than the key, okay? Shorter than the key. So I'm gonna draw my paper clip. That's not the best, that's okay. You get the picture. Paper clip, okay? Maybe you'll do a better job. Moving on. Order 3 pieces of yarn from shortest to longest. Draw the missing piece of yarn. Okay, now we're doing shortest to longest. Okay, and it wants us to add a piece of yarn here. So if we're doing the shortest to longest, the middle one, well, yeah, it's gonna be called the middle one, right? Okay, so shortest, we need something a little longer than the shorter one, but shorter than the longest one. Woo, that's tough to say. Okay, so I'm gonna draw one. It needs to go past the shortest one, but it needs to be shorter than the longest one. So you can really stop anywhere from here, 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 or here. I'm gonna stop right there. And there's my string. Okay. I'm not really sure what we're supposed to write in the middle. Shortest, what? Middle / medium. Medium length, middle length, okay? And then the longest. Okay, I'm going to move on. Draw 3 lines in order from shortest to longest. Okay, we're just doing shortest to longest. So, shortest to longest. Okay, so this is the starting point. So shortest, I'm just gonna draw a little line and stop. And then I'm going to draw my middle line or medium, middle, a little longer. And then I need my longest string. Obviously needs to be longer than the other ones. Voila, there you have it. Shortest, middle length, and longest, okay? Draw 3 lines in order from longest to shortest. Longest, now we're going longest to shortest, okay? So you gotta be careful, make sure you read the words closely. Longest, I wanna make sure it's long. Okay, my middle length, I can do it however long I want, and just as long as this last one is shortest. Beep, little string. Okay, there you have it. Your turn next.